What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to insert a table on Microsoft Word in your mobile phone. So let's begin our video. So first simply open your Microsoft Word. Then I already opened a new document file. Just click on this pen icon on the top. There you can see pen icon, just click it. Now you need to click on this. You need to click this option. Then you can see option home, just click it. Then you can see option insert, just click insert. Then you can see table option, select table. Then you can add a insert option. I just click it. Then again you can click it like that. You can insert above, below, left, right. You can add more row column like that. So guys, in this way you can insert a table on Microsoft Word very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.